Question of the day. What's your favorite YouTube channel? While you answer that, watch this video and I'll give you my answer at the end. Stay tuned. Hello everyone, I'm Certain First Class Spectacular, your NCOIC of entertainment on this channel and all around ass.
You can't say bad words anymore!
Are you f***ing me? Anyway, I used to make videos a lot on this channel, and now I'm hoping to do that again. And I thought to myself, what better way to do that than make a tour of the place where I make all my content. By the way, you can see new videos on this channel Fridays at 8 p.m. Eastern. But enough of that. Let's get into what you really came to see, right? All right, people. We're here for the tour of the studio like I talked about. So let's go ahead and walk it in. See what's going on in here. All right, to this side, you see we got our green screen. You know, it used to be on like a stand, those legs, but I took them off. I got my lighting, as you can see there. Some of our gaming controllers, so we can get busy while streaming and kicking some ass. I got a really cheap chair here. It's one of those video game racing chairs, but you know, I opted for the cheaper model on that. That's not good right now. That's not good right now. It's not good for the back. Not good for the back. I'm gonna zoom in on this right here so you can see my PC. That's my streaming PC, my everything PC right now. I only got my PC. Yeah, so that's what I stream with. Here's the desk where I'm making some stuff up. I'm chefing it up. You know, I gotta use this TV right now because I don't have monitors, but I will get monitors soon. Writing some stuff up, scripts. That's my new camera. I mean, my new mic. New mic. Be doing a video on that shortly too. I love Samson Meteor Mic. I won't put the old one in. You'll see that later. Oh, they got a Mac hiding under there. You see the Mac? You see it. Hold on, let's get the Apple logo on it so you see it. Da, da, da. And those old PlayStation games I had on my stream. Let's check a few of them out real quick. This is what we talk about when I stream on Twitch. Shameless plug. This was our subject of last week. If you've seen this video now, you can go back and watch me on Twitch, catch up with some of these games that I talked about. You know? But yeah. And finally, was that Ditto Live? Yeah. Okay. Let's get back out here. We gotta finish this up. We don't want it to be too long. All right, down here we got our PlayStation 4 Pro. We make it have the God of War version. Yeah. Let me stop. And we got the Xbox that rarely gets turned on, but it's one of a kind. It's the Advanced Warfare model. Hold on, let me take the top off that. You see that? We got the some of my various awards and gifts, I guess you call them, from when I left the service. This is one of my favorites right here. That's nice, boss, ain't it? That's nice, boss. That's nice, boss. They cared about me. One of the few times somebody did it, right? Boom, then I got a little small toy collection. I got more toys in the back, but I'm getting rid of those. These are the ones I'm gonna keep, right? And I got some Power Rangers in my the original Power Mighty Morphin over on my chest over there. That's under the PC. And you can see we got various things down here. That was my first Cadillac right there, so I got a model of it, right? That's one of my awards, the Bulldog. Some of the books I'm going to be reading, and I have read. These are some interesting T-Wall souvenirs I got when I was in Iraq. You see some various video game systems down here. I'm gonna clean these up and get them going. We're gonna stream off those bad boys. Boy, y'all do not know about these classics, right? This is a classic right here. If I can get it the hell out of this goddamn game system. Y'all don't know about that classic right there, boy. Boy, you too young if you don't know about that. You need to leave a like in the comment just for that. Just for that. You got my PlayStation Super Nintendo right there. Panning around, that's where the camera will operate. That's outside my house right there. So yeah, this is pretty much the studio right here that I'm gonna be filming from now on. I was too lazy, I finally got it together, you know. And my dog plays with that dog right there. Yeah, I got my US Army flag up, you know. You gotta remember somehow what you used to do. It is, that's remembering. That's the only flag I got. Now I used to have the University of Miami, it's been the American flag, but I gotta figure out where to put those. So yep, that's it. We can cut back to my black behind another one. Back to you, Sergeant. Once again, I'm Sergeant First Class Spectacular, or SFC these days. My continuing mission statement is to issue information, entertainment, and hopefully some smiles. You can find me on other social media platforms.
What can we see there?
Like Instagram, where I make what the kiddies call dank memes and talk video games. I'm over on Twitter, where I rant and or chat with other insane people I don't know. I don't know if I don't know. Anyway, if you got some spare toilet time, Watch me live stream on Twitch or Facebook and participate in some of our weird debates. My personal favorite is sugar or salt on grits. Everyone knows it's salt, fam. Add me at your own risk. Expect new videos here and on my video game channel, Gaming So Spectacular, Fridays at 8 p.m. Eastern. Finally, if you get bored, go and watch some of my old videos. They might not be as fire as some of the new ones, but who knows? They put a smile on your face. Oh yeah, and before I forget, my favorite YouTube channel. Well, since I'm so spectacular, I'll give you 3. Game Ranks, Comic Storian, and for fitness, of course, Nathan Mixon over at Mixon Fitness. Well, spectacular sorters, it was once said that party is such sweet sorrow. Until next time, if you can't be good, be good at it. Take care of yourselves. Peace.